What's up guys, Saf here on SuperSaf TV, and this for me is the most special unboxing I've had on the channel. I've been fortunate enough to unbox many amazing products, but they've always been products that have been made by somebody else. I've never had the opportunity to unbox something that's truly my own, something that's personal, something that's very unique, and something that will hopefully help with the greater good. Without taking up any more time, let's see what we've got in here. So inside this box is something that I've been thinking about for many years now, and something that I've been working on for many months behind the scenes. It's also something that I get asked about a lot. It's probably the most non-tech related question I get asked across social media. So much so that if you search for SuperSaf on Google, this will be one of the top related search results. Inside here is, of course, the SuperSaf style sunglasses. Completely custom in a form that I can finally share with you guys. So allow me to take you through the unboxing experience. It was very important for me, somebody who unboxes products all the time, that my first product also gave you a special unboxing experience too. You'll see the black on black logo. You guys know my style has always been all black everything, and this is a theme that you'll see throughout. And inside the box, you are presented with a premium black on black case with the S logo. Fun fact about this logo, I actually designed this when I was around 15 and I've had it for a long time. So it is very personal to me. The case has a magnetical button, which will of course keep the sunglasses safe. There's also a black cleaning cloth to keep your sunglasses clean, of course. But a bonus fact, this is perfect for wiping off the smudges and fingerprints on your smartphone too. And finally, of course, we have the iconic SuperSaf style sunglasses. Now the first thing I want to talk about is this matte black finish. Wayfarer sunglasses of this type usually come in a glossy finish, but to me, matte black just looks so much more slick. And on the stems, we have the SuperSaf style logo. Once again, this is black on black, very subtle. I was very keen during the design process that this was not too in your face. Yes, this is my brand, but I didn't want something to ruin the minimal look. Also, if you are getting these for somebody else who maybe isn't a follower, they'll still be able to appreciate this minimal look. And finally, we have the silver mirrored lenses in the classic SuperSaf style look, where everybody tries to zoom in to see which smartphone I'm using to take a selfie. But more importantly, these completely cover your eyes, so no one can really see where you're looking. Okay, that's not in a creepy way. It's mainly so that when you are vlogging or taking selfies, you tend to look at the screen and not the camera. And this is why you'll notice when a lot of people are trying to take selfies, they're actually looking to the side or below. These lenses are absolutely perfect for the Casey Neistat vlogging hack, who of course is a huge inspiration behind these. And when you do have these on, you can look at the screen, you can look pretty much anywhere and it's not going to be a problem. And there we go guys, the SuperSaf style sunglasses are finally here. Of course, if you are interested in picking these up, there will be a link down below. And one more thing, a portion of all sales will be going towards charitable causes. I am hugely blessed to be able to do what I do and to even be in a position where I can have my own product. Hopefully the first of many. And from the get-go, I was keen to do something that would help give back. I also wanted to take this opportunity to say a big thank you to all of you guys who have supported me. Without you guys, I would not even be anywhere near this position. So thank you so much. And also do leave me your feedback. What do you think of these? What products would you like to see in the future? Definitely drop me a comment below and let me know. I hope you enjoyed this very different style of video. It wasn't tech. If you did enjoy it, then a thumbs up would be appreciated. If you're new to the channel and you're thinking, who is this guy with the sunglasses? I actually cover tech here on the channel generally. If you do want to see lots of tech related content, then do subscribe and hit that bell icon. Thanks for watching guys. This is Saf on SuperSaf TV, and I'll see you next time.